Finance terms, loan details, interest rate, loan amount, loan length. Finance terms are the details of a loan. Basically, the details of a loan most often include the loan amount, the length of the loan called the term, and the interest rate. But many other options may be part of the finance terms depending on the complication of the financing. Other options include possible balloon payments with associated time periods or terms, interest rates that are fixed or variable, and interest rates that are effective or APR, which is the annualized percentage rate. APR adds the cost of the loan to the interest rate to produce a more accurate interest rate. Finance terms are the loan details, most basically the interest rate, the loan amount, and the loan length. Multiple choice question, finance terms. A. Terms a defendant must obey to gain release. B. Loan details, interest rate, loan amount, loan length. C. Broker's account for holding client's money. D. Terms expressed when a real property is paid in full. So the correct answer choice for finance terms is B as in boy, loan details, and most commonly interest rate, loan amount, loan length.